In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply need a refresher, getting the basics right is crucial for maintaining accurate records of your financial transactions. So, let's begin with the step-by-step process of adding a journal entry. First, when you start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you're going to find the plus new button. This button is your gateway to many financial actions, including our focus today, journal entries. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu packed with options. In that drop-down, look for Journal Entry, usually nestled under the Other section. Selecting this option will bring you to the Journal Entry interface where you can start entering your transaction details. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is the Date field. It's crucial to set the correct date for your transaction, as this determines when the financial activity is recorded. Ensure this date aligns with the actual date of the transaction for accurate tracking and reporting. Next, let's move to the main section of your journal entry. On the first line, you'll see options to select an account and enter the amount. This is where you'll be specifying which account is impacted and whether it's a debit or a credit. Remember, the sum you enter here depends on whether you're debiting or crediting this particular account. Once you've handled the first line, proceed to the second line of your journal entry. Here, you'll select another account. Crucially, for the integrity of your entries and to ensure your books stay balanced, you'll need to enter the same amount here, but in the opposite column. So if you credited the first account, you'll debit this one, and vice versa. Balancing the books is the cornerstone of double-entry bookkeeping, so it's essential at this stage to ensure that the total debits are equal to the total credits you've entered. Doing so guarantees that everything lines up financially within the system. As we move along, don't overlook the memo field. This is where you can describe the nature of the transaction, providing context that may be useful for future reference. Additionally, you can add a description to each line item for more detail. Finally, after carefully reviewing your entries and ensuring everything matches up in terms of credits and debits, you'll see two options to finalize the process. You can choose to click Save and Close if you're finished, or Save and New if you need to enter another transaction right away. This straightforward process ensures your entries are accurately added to QuickBooks, keeping your financial records precise and up to date. And there you have it, how to add a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.